I didn't make a video, well, a voice memo in a while because I have nothing to say, really. So I guess I'll just sum up some days. I guess yesterday I went to the beach pool thing with my friends and that was fun. Yeah. I don't know. Well, yeah. I'm just looking at my mole here. So weird. Gross. Okay. It's kind of late and I don't want to talk that loud, so yeah. Um, yeah, the beach was fun, and then we ate at Denny's, and I was pretty full already, so I didn't really want to eat anything, but I still ate my meal. Yeah. Um, um, um. Today I went to some work potluck thing that I got tricked into going because it's not really mandatory, but I got tricked into it. Um, and that was kind of boring. I just sat there under a tree drinking some Starbucks because I did not really know anyone there. And the people that I did know didn't really talk to me. So I just went under the tree. Yeah, good stuff. Um, yeah. Oh, and someone on Tinder actually messaged me first. So, wow, what a surprise. I'm actually talking with someone on Tinder. Wow. Wow, I know. I sound really boring today, but that's 'cause I have not really been talking with anyone. Wow. 冇人啦，咁唔係即係同人講嘢啊？Yeah，record 啲嘢咯。拜拜。